Okay, let's talk about anti-aging. Medyo hindi ko napabaya ko na si anti-aging ko, no? Lately, okay, something is bothering me in regards to my health. Okay, although the Japan trip was really healthy and I felt good when I was there. I was walking, I was doing the sauna, I was climbing the stairs of the hostel. Uh, pero nung bumalik ako dito, something went wrong actually. Medyo, I felt sluggish. I felt kulang yung brain output ko. Kung dati ang daldal ko, para bang all of a sudden I cannot think. Dati halos maubos yung minutes. Ang dami ko pang gustong isabi. Diba, see, even my vocabulary are mess up. Ang dami kong gusto sabihin, and yet now it's just like I have to cut my blog because I cannot say anything anymore. No ideas coming out from my brain. So I don't know. So I need to study myself again, what happened. Well, pagbalik ko naman, the only difference I did was, of course, there was no alcohol anymore. Although the first night we drank beer in JP Rizal, even though it was like already JP Rizal, P. Burgos. That was like, what, 2 a.m.? 3 a.m.? Anyway, then of course I injected back my CJC 1295 for my growth hormones. That's the only thing. That's the only difference that happened. And the problem is, since I injected that, ang problema to sa CJC 1295 and ipamorelin is, after injecting it, kailangan ko matulog. Inaantok ako. That's the problem. Inaantok ako, nagugutom ako. Actually, today, I already had 2 cups of rice. Lumalakas kain ko. And then tulog. Then, I slept the whole day. Gumising lang ako para sa sauna. I just finished my sauna. Plus this thing on my throat. It's been bugging me. It's a virus actually, which has been, rotating around. So, I don't know. Anyway, so, what else? So I'm trying to analyze my body. What went wrong? Ba't ako naging sluggish? Sabi nga ng friend ko isa, sabi niya, baka naman blood pressure mo. Sabi ko, kung blood pressure ko, edi nahilo na ako dapat sa sauna. How kapag nasa sauna ako, mas lalo ako sumisigla. Nabubuhay ako. Then, di naman ako nahihilo. Alam mo yung kulang ka sa asukal, parang ganon. Yung kulang ka sa energy, parang ganon. Yun yung feeling ko. No? I tried to I took creatine, but it really didn't help. Hindi ko alam kung fake naman yung nabili ko creatine. Pwede rin yun. So anyway, about anti-aging, no? Actually, I wanted to say this for the longest days. Na I was watching like enhancement on the face, doing stem cells, nagpapa-opera ng muka, nagpapa-opera ng buhok, nagpapa-opera ng ilong, and so on. Okay? Alam mo, na sa isip ko one thing. Do not beautify yourself unless you get into the habit of beautifying your body. Okay? Kahit pahila mo yan at magpa-opera ka ng katakot-takot, no? Na ganyan. Okay. Yan. Perfect yan, di ba? Yan. Kunyari, Barta Banat, di ba? O, pag yan naman yan, may baksak, di ba? Baksak, yan. See? Baksak pa yan. Anyway, kung ako sa inyo, no? For me, do the proper habits. Do the proper diet before you cure yourself. Kung hindi, sayang lang yung pera nyo. Sayang lang yung pera nyo sa treatment, sa chemical pill, sa glutathione, sa ganito, and then you smoke, you drink, nagpupuyat kayo, meron kayong anxiety, worry kayo ng worry about sa pera, may kinaiinggitan kayo, may kinaiinisan ka, na para kang baliw, di ba? You're only crucifying yourself. Okay? Tandaan nyo, pag may sama ka ng loob sa iba, it means you are crucifying yourself. At yung galit ka, natutulog at tumatawa. Sino talo? Ikaw, di ba? So, reminder lang yan sa inyo. Sabi nga sa Desiderata, amidst the ano ba yan? Haze and confusion, we still should be at peace with ourselves. Hey Google, can you tell me Desiderata Fred? Di ko talam.
I looked for that, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Hey Google, can you read Desiderata?
I looked for that, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Hey Google, who wrote Desiderata?
Max Ehrmann wrote Desiderata.
Max Ehrmann, yeah. What's the first line of Desiderata? Hey Google, what's the first line of Desiderata?
On the website desiderata.com, they say, "Go placidly amid the noise and the haste, and remember what peace there may be in silence."
Yan. Okay, yun yung first phrase. Di ba, ang galing Google? Yun, tandaan nyo yan. Kahit nag-end of the world, the most important and sacred thing is your being, your soul, your brain, your health. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Kahit nag-end of the world, dapat ikaw buo ka. Kahit nagkakagulo, nagrarally, ikaw buo ka. No matter what. That's very important. Paano na po tayo sa health, no? Anyway, kasi importante yun. Importante yun. Kung ikaw parating full of hatred, full of jealousy, full of inggit, katulad sa mga naiinggit sa mga politicians, no? Anong buhay meron ka? Do you get me? Isn't that a fucking lonely life that you're in? Correct? Ang babaw naman ng kaligayahan mo, ginagaya mo yung iba. O nainggit ka sa politician. Wala kang pakialam kung may 28 luxury car ka. Problema mo yun. Ako, okay na ako sa mga bulok kong kotse at nag-grab ako at nag-jeep ako at MRT kasi masaya ako doon. Masaya ako nagpa-public commute. I need to see people. I don't know why. I don't know. Probably some of you can relate, some of you cannot. Alam mo, nung bata-bata ako, gusto ko solitude. Lately, naramdaman ko, I cannot live in the fucking beach house. I cannot live in Subic anymore. Kasi ayoko yung wala ako nakikitang tao. Kailangan nasa Tokyo ako, nasa Ueno Station ako na parating may taong gumagalaw. Kailangan dito ako sa poblasyon, na parating may taong lumalakad, nagka-clubbing, lahat, nagpopokpokan. Yun ako ngayon. I don't know why. Is it good or bad? I don't know. Anyway, let's go back. Doon sa pagre-repair ng muka, ng face, ginagamot nyo yung sarili nyo, anti-inflammation. Before nyo gawin yun, una nyo kukurikin is your diet. Okay? Your diet. Dapat nag-intermittent ka, especially when you reach the age of 35. For the people below, ako 30 aging starts at 25. Tandaan nyo yan. At 25, nagpipik na yung body mo. Pati yung thymus gland mo. But 25, yung thymus gland mo, gano'ng kalaki. Hindi man, exaggeration yon. Pinakamalaki yan, yung thymus. Yung thymus yan yung nagpoprotect sa sakit. Kaya kita mo yung mga bata, teenager, kahit lasing, kahit walang tulog, yung mukha fresh pa rin. Nagre-repair pa rin yung katawan. Pero pag tumanda ka na, wala na. Wala na yung repair. Wala na, humihina na. Yung buwab gumagano. Yung thymus mo gumagano, lumilita yun. No? Hanggang, by the age of 77, nagiging fatty tissue na lang siya. Okay? What can reverse the shrinking of the thymus gland? Human growth hormone. Okay. That's the reason why I'm injecting myself with CJC1295 and Hypermorelin to make my pineal gland produce more human growth hormone naturally. Okay, dati yung human growth hormone ini-inject namin directly sa tiyan. Ngayon, nakaka-disrupt daw ng system yun. So, ang research is why don't you activate the gland that produces it, give it a peptide that enhances to produce the desired hormones for the body. So that's what we're doing now. And mga 1 year na yata ako sa human growth hormones. And I've seen the difference. I've seen on my face when I was like a year ago, 2 years ago. Of course, there were like there was like filters. But I think it improved because before my face was just like this na. Ganyan na yung mukha ko. Hindi ako nagpabanat wala. Umakyat siya by itself. Although I'm still thinking sana mapabalik ko pa ng ganyan. Yan. Ganyan. See? Meron pa. Okay? So, pati yung jaws ko lumiit. Dati laki-laki niyan. Saka nabawasan yung fats ko na rito sa neck. Okay? So, but of course, it's still with the right diet, no? I only eat once a day. As much as possible. Ngayon, hindi ako. Nag-cheat ako. Dahil gutom ako, I ate 2 rice na. For the day. Hindi pa tapos yung araw. When alas 10 na. So, I don't know, but I'm still hungry. Yan ang problema sa human growth hormones. It makes you fucking sleepy. It makes you hungry. Para kang bumalik sa bata. Alam mo yung teenager ka, kain ka ng kain, tapos tulog ka ng tulog. Maupo ka lang sila, tulog ka na. Parang gano'n. Kahit tulog ka ng buong night. So anyway, let's go back, no? Yung mga, before kayo magpa-opera, before kayo magpa-chemical peel, mag-laser, korikin nyo muna yung lifestyle nyo. Kung hindi, babalik lang yung kapangitan nyo. Lalaglag uli yan. Kahit anong angat nyo, lalaglag uli yan. Kilala nyo si yung batang lalaki na sumikat? Si Roxford ba yun? Oxford? Yung pinasikat ni Corina Sanchez? O diba, inopera. Nagmukhang tisoy. O after 5 years, because of the poor lifestyle, nag-asawa siya lahat-lahat. O lumaki uli. Lumaglag dito. Namaga uli yung mukha, nagkaroon ng inflammation. Yung mga taba-taba dito, pag nagkakaroon ka ng gano'n, inflammation yon, hindi taba yon po. Okay? Inflamed na yung katawan mo. Pag yung mukha mo, marami nang dinadala rito, nagpo-form na yung dito, inflammation yon, hindi yung taba. Taba in a way, but it's caused by inflammation. So, kailangan pasukat nyo yung fasting insulin level nyo. Because inflammation is triggered by insulin level. Insulin spikes. Na pag ganon-ganon. Pag gumagano ng mo, then you get inflammation. So the lower the steady the insulin level, the lower the inflammation, including the blood pressure, lahat. Okay? So yun lang ang avoid nyo, no? And eat fiber, please. Eat fiber. The colon needs fiber. The microbiome needs fiber. Yan yung kinakain ng microbiome. Pag wala kayong fiber, puros kayo karne, adobo, kanin, tinapay, peanut butter, sardinas, noodle, kayo ang kakainin ng microbiome and magiging cancer cells yun. Okay? Pag kayo kinakain na ng microbiome, yun yung cancer. Pinapatay na kayo. Bakit? Wala na kayo silbi. Remember, ang head natin yung microbiome, hindi tayo yung head. Ang microbiome, ginagawa tayong bahay. It's not the other way around. They are the masters. We are not. We are more microbiome than human cells. Okay? I think 7 trillion yung... Hey Google, how many human cells are there in the body?
37.2 trillion cells. On the website facebook.com, they say, the human body comprises an estimated 37.2 trillion cells, and each cell type has a unique function.
Okay, so 37.2 million. Okay. Hey Google, how many microbes do we have in a human body?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hindi niya masagot eh. Wait. Hey Google, how many microbes are there in a human body?
39 trillion microbial cells. On the website sciencefocus.com, they say, in any human body there are around 30 trillion human cells, but our microbiome is an estimated 39 trillion microbial cells, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi that live on and in us.
So they are the majority. They are 39 million. The human cells is between, mali-mali yung Google, no? 30 million to 37 million. Of course, wala naman nakakabilang yan. Estimate yan. But, in their estimate, mas malamang ang microbes sa katawan natin. And they are called microbiome. They are in our colon. They are in our skin. They are in our mouth. Okay? That's the reason why they don't advise you to brush your teeth all the time or gargle. Okay? Because you are killing the good bacteria. It's okay to floss. Okay? But do not use fluoride. Okay? To kill the bacteria. Okay? You can use kasi acidic yung natin, no? Laway, especially pag kumakain. Pag may kinain tayo, may pumunta sa bunganga natin, automatic nagre-release ang acid. The digestion starts. Okay? Walang pagkain, hindi acidic yung bunganga mo. Okay, 'yan. So anyway, so 'yon, no? So please fix yourself first before you do some opera. Palakihin mo yung mata mo, lagyan mo ng buhok yung mo. Ang dapat tanungin mo, ba't ka nakalbo? So you should do analysis on your blood. Ano ba bumara? Ba't ka ba nakalbo? Is it because of the dihydrotestosterone? Bakit sumara yung mga pores mo? Is it because of the dirt, the infect ka? Because of the stress, alopecia? Those are the causes. So dapat alam mo ba't ka nakalbo. Hindi yung paggagawa ka lang ng dahil makakalbo uli yan. Makakalbo uli yan. Babalik at babalik yung kalbo mo. No matter what you do, kahit anong implant mo, pag yung dihydrotestosterone mo nagkakalbo, ubusin ka nun. Actually, hindi naman. Bakit? Kasi yung buhok natin sa gilid, okay, ito, hindi yan naapektuhan ng dihydrotestosterone. Dihydrotestosterone is the one blocking the hair follicle. Kaya hindi siya na-feed ng nutrients. Kaya namamatay hanggang magsara yung butas. Okay? Etong buhok natin dito, hindi naapektuhan ng dihydrotestosterone. Kaya yung dito siya kumukuha para pang implant dito. So yun po pwede yun actually. No? But as much as possible, try to improve yourself. Try to improve your health. Try to improve your sleep, your emotions, your lahat. Yung hangin, yung tubig mo iniinom should be filtered. Okay? Meron ka air purifier. Okay? Kaya umahanga ako doon sa mga bahay na nakikitaan ko ng air purifier na gumagastos. Kasi putang ina sa hangin yan eh. Alam niyo ba kung how many carbon footprints ang nililinis sa mga sapatos nyo rito? Mga sapatos, yung dumi, yung silya mo leather, yung kurtina, yung dingding, yung TV. Ang dami niyan. So, you need to take care of your health. Kung may pera ka, please, spend on your health. Do a lab test every month. Huwag kayo magtitipid sa health. Ito nga, nag-enroll ako sa training ko eh. 5,000 per training eh. Diba? Which is I'm gonna do tomorrow. Ibibideo ko, la-live ko yon. Yung EMS with Pilates and boxing, 1 hour. Na may kuryente ako. May suot-suot ako na kinukuryente ako. Habang nag-workout. So, it really works. Talagang umangat yung yung chest ko, no? So, yun. So, that's about health. Ano pa ba? Marami akong nakakalimutan ko lang, no? So far, I still do a lot of things which I don't tell you. Hindi lahat sinasabi ko, no? About taking care of my health. May mga secret ako na hindi ko pa sinasabi na it's for myself lang. So probably I'm gonna put up something, no? Actually I bought this one. Ito Perfection. I think pinigay ko sa inyo, no? Perfection. I think 7,000 Australian dollars. Ito siya. It works even in my feet and even in my knee. So you just turn it on. So pag ganun mo, it produces right electrolyte, then the heat. Then may nanometers yan. Eksakto 630 nanometers to hit the epidermis, which produces the collagen. So ginagano ko yan. Hanggang may init yan, pero hindi ka masunog. May init yan. Stimulates the cells, no? The epidermis and yung nagpo-produce sa collagen. Yan. So ginaganon yan, gaganon yan, may init yan. And then ginamit ko sa paa ko to. Di ba may mga masakit sa paa? Ginagamit ko yan. Nawala. Talagang, ginagawa ko ng foot reflex as well. So, yan. So, I bought this one. Ang sarap kasi nung na-try ko talagang hulugan naman. Payable in 12 months. So, okay lang. Basta may credit card ka. Yan, gagano mo sa mata. Kasi lalo yung dito, ilalim ng mata, namamatay yung mga cells mo dyan. Hindi na-activate. Lalo if you're having a poor lifestyle. Puyat, inom, yosi, toxins, kumakain ka ng noodles. Favorite ko talaga yung noodles, no? Sinusumpa ko yung mga noodles yan, saka yung mga coke. So yan, ganun mo. Sarap po. Yung init niya, tamang-tama. Yan. It seemed to work. Yan. Hindi na nga ako nakaka-PRP na kailangan na nga bumalik kami kay doktora. Nagpapa-PRP ako ng mukha saka hair dito buo. Overdue na ako sa PRP. Problema sa Quezon City, nagbabaha pa natin. Andun siya eh. So, yan. So, Perfection. Matagal na nauso to, 7 years ago pa. So, yon. So, huwag kayong magtipid sa health nyo, no? Yung mga iba dyan, bisa bumili kayong plaka, puta, bumili kayo ng para for your health. Hindi kayo, remember, parang kotse yan. Hindi mo alagaan yung kotse mo, ano gagamitin mo? Di ba? The body is our tool to make money, and to help others. And to feed others. Especially my dogs. My Samsam. My Samu. Yan. So, kailangan nila ako para may makain pa sila, no? So, anyway, I think that's it about my health. It's already 25 minutes. For the first time, bumalik yung utak ko. For some reason, bumalik yung utak ko. I thought I was getting dumb. I think I was getting dementia. Dementia or Alzheimer's. Natatakot ako because I'm really getting old. I'm not getting old. I'm old. And then yung paa ko parating ina-attack na. So I need to do stretching. I need to do sit-ups. I need to do squats. If not, I have to walk. I have to stairmaster. If not, my God, wala. Baka ugod-ugod na ako ngayon. Okay? I don't know up to when I can still keep up with this kind of face, action, and thinking. As long as I can do it, the better for me. As long as I can remember, I'm much wiser and intelligent now compared when I was like, 25, 30? So, except when I was doing yoga. When I was 19. I was, tantric yoga. It's the most hardest yoga because you perform everything. You do fasting. Alam niyo ba na nagpa-fast kami sa yoga? Pati tubig bawal. Kasi gusto ng tinuturo sa amin, kailan yung stomach tumigil pag-digest. Kasi alam niyo ba, most of the calories that we burn, number 1 na kumakain, brain. Number 2 is the stomach. Sa digestion. So, pag tumigil yung digestion, ang sinasabi sa yoga, yung energy daw, mafo-focus sa brain. Aakyat yung spiritual energy mo. Ang tawag nila daw, kundalini. Aakyat yung sasabog ka, pak! Para kang addict. Yun. Para kang high. Yung at peace with God. Parang gano'n. Yun. Well, I experienced it. Yes, I did. Kasi nagme-meditate pa ako noon. I meditate twice a day, morning upon waking up and then before sleeping. Then on Sunday, we do meditation rituals for 2 hours, mga ganun. Then I fast once a week for 24 hours. Sunrise to sunrise. Without water, without food. Every week. So kung di ba naman umangat yung intelligence mo, sumabog, no? So, yun. So, I think that's it for now for our health blog. At least wala ako nasingit na politics or blood control. Nagawa ko na yung project ko, no? Tapos na ako. Parating kayong ayan, tapos na ako sa blood control project ko. Sa Ghost Project, ayan. Ghost Project, tapos na ako. Kayo, nagawa nyo na ba yung Ghost Project nyo? Anyway, you know what? That's life. Ano natin? Hey Google, what's the first line in Desiderata?
On the website desiderata.com, they say, "Go placidly amid the noise and the haste, and remember what peace there may be in silence."
Yes. The peace there is in silence. How I wish I could go back there and meditate. I wanna meditate again. Kasi nasanay na ako sa noise. I need to regroup myself again, spiritually. Okay? So, that's it for now. Magbablog ako about yung mga inaaping mga mahihirap na due to these flood control projects, no? We need to do something about it. Okay?